love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, floor mats, compass, power door locks, front bucket seats, tinted glass, trailering package. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.